Smart Welding Revolution, Biometric Auth IoT Connectivity, Adaptive Power Management. We provide intelligent construction site welding machine solutions featuring an innovative modular design architecture. The system consists of a high-performance control board and smart driver board. The control board integrates multiple intelligent functions: fingerprint recognition for secure startup, voice interaction for operational guidance, and for GPS for remote monitoring and positioning. The driver board is equipped with precision power regulation units and an intelligent power management system to ensure stable and efficient welding processes. We offer comprehensive services from solution design, PCB development, to mass production, strictly controlling each process to guarantee product quality and on-time delivery. Interested parties are welcome to contact us by email